Hey everybody, this is our newborns, Aubrey. This is our mom, Amy and Garrett. I'm just going to show you how we adjust newborns. So when we adjust a newborn, it's the amount of pressure you put on a ripe tomato. It's so gentle. So I'm going to just hold her here. I'm just feeling for any tone changes that I can feel side to side. And as I do that, if I find anything that's not moving like the other side, then I'm just going to hold it and just apply pressure until I feel it release. So this is actually the adjustment on a newborn. You don't adjust a newborn like you would adjust an infant, and you don't adjust an infant like you would adjust a toddler or a child or an adult. It's all different. So just feeling the spine, and you can see she's really relaxed. And I'm just gonna feel up and find any areas in her spine that are tone differences from side to side, and then we'll hold those until they adjust. So right there, right around L1, we're going to hold that spot and adjust it. We're going to work our way out. Right there, there's another spot. We're going to release that, T5. That's good. Good. Now that her spine's clear here, we're going to check her upper neck, and then we're going to check her jaw and her latch and her cranial bones. So I'm going to place her in a nice little pillow here. Just like that. Unwrap her. And we're going to turn her this way. Good. Aubrey, hi. And then we're just gonna hold. I'm just feeling how the tone is from side to side in her upper neck. It's good. And it releases any tension in that area. It's all clear. I can feel it relax. And she gets really comfortable now. So how long have you been coming here?
4 years.
4 years.
Maybe 4.5.
Awesome. And what was it like before you came here for you?
Health?
Yeah.
Not so great. I was sick all the time. Anytime I got a cold, it was not just a cold. It was bronchitis, pneumonia, strep throat. I also have had asthma since a young child. So I took steroid inhalers every day and emergency inhaler anytime I wanted to be active. And so for 4 years, I haven't had to use my inhaler one time.
Wow, that's awesome. I love that.
Yeah. I've also had Dr. Eminette help me through 2 medicated births and breastfeeding. So breastfeeding was a real big struggle for me with my son, and because of the adjustments in Dr. Eminette, we were able to get through that. And then have had a little bit of a struggle with her, and every time we come in, it's more of an improvement.
Awesome. Thanks so much. It's our joy to take care of you and your babies.
Thank you.
Thank you.